everybody. Welcome to Dining Painting with Cat and Dogs. This is Helen here. I have an unboxing of a Diamond Art Club in Square by Chuck Penson. He's one of my favorite. I think I'm getting almost all of them. Older ones and newer ones. So let's check this out. See if you can see it. It's Freedom at the Lake by Chuck Penson. It's a square. It's a 93 centimeters by 70 centimeters. And, oh man, box is heavy. Let's see if I can get it in there. Sorry about the little glare. So pretty, so pretty. This looks like it's an older box. So we have how to work, contents in the box. And a scan me code to unlock 10%. And let's get into this box. I cut the plastic off so make it easier. What do we got here? We have the toolkit, which is an older one. Like I said, these are some older paintings. And this is a really heavy one on top of that. Box is empty. Okay, so we have our logbook sticker, or some people put it on the end of the box, just counts how they store it. It gives you all the information on the painting. Freedom at the Lake by Chuck Penson. Diamond painting shape is a square, and it is a 93 centimeters by a 70 centimeters, which is 36.6 by 27.6 inches. Okay, now the toolkit. It's just a basic, so I'm just going to go through it pretty quick. So you get just a basic pen, one placer, and then you get a 7 placer, a 4 placer, and these are the thin ones, the ones I like. Okay. With square, you do get tweezers. Be careful, they are really sharp. And you're squishy. And you get the tray with a stopper. And a cover binder of a seashell. If I got that out correctly. Okay, and we also have some pretty washi tape. Pretty. And we got some baggies. Okay, if I can get stuff in here correctly. Okay, come on. Could be in the paint. And then we have wax here. You get 3 of them. Remember to take the plastic off before use. Like I said, just the average kit. It's the older one. But it'll get you started, what you need to do. All the fun stuff. And let's look at this one here. It comes in a plastic dust ruffle. Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. Let's get into this. Let's see this drawing because it is heavy. Okay. Very heavy. Very heavy. Okay, let's make sure we get this open correctly. Very pretty already. I don't even have it open already. Okay, as big as my desk. So, comes in this package here. You get your legend that, of course, I have upside down. This little booklet here that says thank you for your purchase. Gives you what's included in the kit. Some tips and tricks. It also gives you their Facebook information. Step-by-step instructions. And a Q code to get 20% off your very first purchase. Okay. And then here is a legend. It's all stickers here. Gives you all the information. You can put your start date and end date. Here's a picture. See if we can get it to focus here. Gives you your the shape of the diamond, the size, and then these are all stickers for kitting up. Some people use them, some don't. This one here has 3 ABs. Anything under 150 is ABs. And there is 66 colors. Okay. Now, these drills are a lot. So I'm not going to go through all of them. There's a lot. Just looking right here, 3861 has 3 bags. So, yeah, I'm not going to go through all these, but let's check out the canvas. The canvas has, up here at the top, if I can get to it, I'm too short here. Do What Makes You Sparkle by Diamond Art Club. Over here is your legend. Down here is a thumbnail, a picture of what you'd be working on. And it has ABs, Freedom at the Lake, 93 centimeters by 70 centimeters by Chuck Penson, Diamond Art Club. Shows you that it is a licensed drawing. Here in the middle is your media. Here's all your media spots. And on the other side here is your warranty. Let's check out over here. Pull this up. Has the perforated cover, nice and sticky. Excuse me. Nice work area, easy to read. And let's see here if I can find some of. So let's see if we can find some of the ABs. We have some ABs in here, which is some yellows. Some yellow ABs in here. Some green ABs in here. Some ABs in here. Some ABs in here. Some in the trees up there. Some over here in the water on the ducks. Over here in the grass. All this water has some AB in it. And there goes my phone. Okay, let me see if I can get you guys a view of the whole painting. And then I'm going to say thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.